Digital currencies have bit by bit penetrated the standard cognizance and built up some forward momentum. Be that as it may, a significant number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try, for no particular reason. What is Axie endlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie. However, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie limitlessness. Axie boundlessness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital currency. Players can procure the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired enormous ubiquity around the world. Thus, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a mood of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a practical stage. Clients can possess the local Axie endlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a consistently growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the limits of only the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie limitlessness is set to make lives more engaged and speedy. In a novel manner, the Axie vastness convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, in this manner legitimizing its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. Axie endlessness specialized investigation. With a market cap of $641,386,975 and an exchanging volume of $178,420,661, Axie endlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors an immense rectification. The Axie vastness cost weights around $6.66, with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie vastness has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 95,843,931.87 Axie, and the pioneers behind Axie boundlessness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie endlessness has a ton of vows to observe for its fans according to their specialized examination. As indicated by specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town, the token rectified enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of Axie limitlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie the best coin to purchase in 2022? Axie boundlessness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 has not been awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market is incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion is additionally ominous. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is a dangerous chance to enter the market. Be that as it may, since the cost is supposed to rise, brokers who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. As per Wallet Financial Backers Axie cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul speculation as the cost in the following year might drop to 34 cents. Though, as indicated by our Axie vastness conjecture, the Axie cost could start an upturn and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie vastness might skyrocket to $556.90, making it a wise speculation by 2027. While the value forecasts examination recommends that the cost of Axie limitlessness might reach $239.81 by 2030. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2022. In light of our Axie cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to be around $8.83, with an expected low of $7.20 and a possible high of $10.45. The Axie limitlessness shards cost variances in the market are supposed to be exceptionally unstable. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2023. Our Axie limitlessness cost forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a respectable recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie boundlessness cost is gauged to have a greatest worth of $15.70, while the typical cost might be around $12.43. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $9.15. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2024. According to our Axie limitlessness cost expectation, the Axe coin will proceed the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $18.25. While the base cost might be $12.50. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might acquire good benefits in the year. Axie vastness value expectation 2025. Axie vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34, while the base and most extreme Axie limitlessness cost may be $16.30 and $22.37. Separately, in light of our Axie vastness gauge, Axie boundlessness value expectation 2026. According to the Axe cost figure, Axie's coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie boundlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be immense. Axie vastness value expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness expectation, the cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50, while the base and greatest costs of Axe are expected to be $22.45 and $30.55. Axie endlessness value expectation 2028. As indicated by our Axe coin cost expectation, the most extreme worth is expected to be $33.10, while the potential low might be around $24.22. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 all year long. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $35.15, according to our Axie limitlessness crypto cost forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie endlessness, the base and normal costs might be around $27.50 and $31.33. Separately, Axie vastness value forecast 2030. In view of Axe crypto cost forecast, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54. Separately, in 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be outstanding. Is it productive to put resources into Axie boundlessness? In view of the Axe cost expectation, it tends to be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie limitlessness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie endlessness is supposed to be around $36.54.